Hi everyone, this is Teacher Mel and welcome to English class. So as for today, we are in Unit 4. Okay, so before we start to our lesson today, let's have first the vocabulary of the day. The vocabulary of today is rules. Rules. Let's spell together. R U L E S. Rules. One more time. R U L E S. Rules. Meaning, rules are guidelines for how people should behave. They are based on ideas what is right and what is wrong. Okay? Instructions are also called rules. One more time. Rules are guidelines for how people behave, and it is based on the ideas about what is right and what is wrong. Instructions are also called rules. Okay, let's have an example sentence. Every school has different rules. Again, every school has different rules. Okay, so that is our vocabulary of today. And now it's time for our lesson. Also, in our lesson, we have some set of vocabulary. So, we have words here in your book. I want you to open your book on Smart English, page 74. You can open and let's read together the vocabulary words. So let's read. The first one is 8 o'clock a.m. And I want you to look at the picture as well. 8 o'clock a.m. Next, eat. Eat. Homework. Homework. Uniforms. Uniforms. Shout. Shout. Phone or phones. Phone or phones. Listen. Listen. Copy. Copy. Okay, I want you to repeat after me. 8 o'clock a.m. Eat. Homework. Uniforms. Shout. Phones. Listen. Copy. Very good. Now, let's have some pictures and I want you to identify which word is that picture. Okay, look at the first picture. So, what are they wearing? So, the students wear the school uniforms. Okay, look at the picture. The students wear the school uniforms. Very good. Now, another picture. Look at the girl. What is she doing? She is using her phone in class. Look at the picture. What is the girl doing? She is using her phone in class. Now, another picture. Look at the picture. What are the students doing? Okay, what are the students doing? They run and shout in class. One more time. They run and shout in class. Okay, next picture. Look at the picture. What are they doing? Okay, or what you should do. So you should be at school before 8 o'clock a.m. Okay? You should be at school before 8 o'clock a.m. And next picture. Look at the boy. What is he doing? He is doing the homework. He is doing the homework. And next, look at the picture. What are the students doing in class? They eat in class. One more time. They eat in class. And next picture. What are the students doing? Look at the other student. What is the student doing? The student is copying other students' work. The student is copying or copy other students' work. Okay, copy other students' work. And the last picture, I want you to look at the picture. What are the students doing in class? What are the students doing in class? They are listening to their teacher. So they listen to their teacher. Okay, so these are the vocabulary that we have in the Unit 4. So, let's see which is wrong and which is right. Because that is our topic today. It's about rules. So, we have to set the rules in the classroom. So, we have something good and something bad. Okay, so do you think shouting in class is good or bad? Shouting, is it good or bad? So, shouting, it is not good. Okay, it is in the bad. So, you shouldn't shout in class. Okay, that's the first one. Shouldn't shout in class. Next, we have, look at this picture. Phones in class. Do you think using phones in class is good or bad? So, using phones is not good in the classroom. So, do not use your phone in class. Okay? And then, next, look at the picture. Wearing school uniforms. Is it good or bad? Wearing uniforms is a good. So, you should wear your uniform if you are in the school or in the classroom. So you should wear the uniform. Next, be at school before 8 a.m. Is it good or bad? be at school before 8 a.m. is good. So that is good, and that is a good rule as well. Next, we have listen to the teacher. So listen to the teacher is also good. So it is the rule that you should listen to your teacher. And another, eating in class. Eating in class during discussion is not good. Okay, but if it is free time, you can eat something in class. But if it's not free time, you shouldn't eat in class. Okay, you should not. And copy other students' work. It's also not a good idea. Okay, and then doing your homework at home. It should be at home and not in class. Okay, so these are some rules that you have to follow when you are in the classroom or in school. Okay, so now that you know the good and the bad rules that we should follow in classroom or in school, you are going to complete the rules in 2 groups. So we have on page 76, your student book. You can open your student book and answer the following question, or you have to complete the rules. So they have things we have to do at school and things we are not allowed to do at school. So number 1, we have to, okay, what we have to do at school, you can write you think it's good. And then, for bad side, things that you shouldn't do at school, you have to write as well. So if you listen about the good and the bad, you can answer page 76. Okay? So that would be all for today. This is only about the rules. We have rules to follow in school or in the classroom. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you've learned something today and see you again on the next video. Goodbye!